Hey y'all, just doing a review on this Toro 321 mower. I'm not getting paid to do this endorsement. I bought it about 3 or 4 weeks ago. It's got the Briggs & Stratton 140cc engine on it. Just wanted to brag on it because this thing is going through like butter. It is a mulching mower. This is the flap for it. This is the size discharge. It does not come with the discharge sheet. You have to register the product and then say that you want it and they send it to you. It took about, well, I did it when I first bought the mower, and it just came yesterday. So I'm out here, just wanted to show y'all. I'm on some of my wife's property. It's up here to the abandoned trailers. Has not been cut, but I wanted to show this thing in action, and so you can see how thick of stuff it really does go through, and it's really incredible what it does. So let's check. As you can see, I've already done a lot up here, but just for perspective, it's pretty deep stuff, as you can see. So I still got this section to do, and let's see how it goes. Here's the area about 10 minutes later, after we got done cutting that patch I was showing you. Side discharge looks like it does a pretty good job of throwing it out there, really. But this is the area I just got done. This has not been cut up here probably for, God, 7 to 8 months. So again, the Toro, love it. It's got, actually, as you can see here, it's got height adjustments. I do have it on the highest. All you do, it's only one side, which is great. Before, the one I had, you had to do all 4 wheels, but this is just one wheel, raises the whole thing. It cuts from 1 inch to 4 inch. So this is on the highest setting, and we cut all of this at the 4-inch height. So there you are, folks. I highly recommend, once again, this Toro 321. Got it at Home Depot. This thing does have guaranteed no oil change ever if you use their special Toro oil with it. I did get 2 bottles. I've cut every week for the last 4 weeks, at least 2, if not 3 times a week, and every time I've checked the oil, it's been completely full. Hadn't even used anything. So once again, check it out, the Toro. It's at Home Depot. I got it on sale as the 4th of July sale. Got it for $3.99. I think it's like $4.69, something like that. But highly recommend y'all check it out. And then when you get a chance, check out my other channel here on YouTube, the $20 Budget Prepper. Got videos out there on prepping on a budget, $20 a week. And also I've done food reviews. So check it out. Again, that's the $20 budget prepper, and it's at On a Budget Prepper. Thank you all. Check it out.